Hi, my name is Dr. Michael Ogu. I'm a faculty at the Department of Political Science and Public Administration, Babcock University. Today is April 22nd and it's International Earth Day.
The theme of Earth Day 2021 is Restore Our Earth. Do you think this is possible?
51 years after the first Earth Day celebration in 1970, our Earth still suffers neglect and abuse. This year, as the world recovers from COVID-19 pandemic, it is important that we look for how best in repairing the damage we've done to our Earth.
There is good news. Research has shown that because of the lockdown resulting from the pandemic, carbon dioxide emissions and human mobility has reduced, which has improved air quality and encouraged wildlife activities.
Another good news, according to Marshall Burke, is that just 2 months of reduced pollution has saved the lives of 4,000 children under the age of 5 and 73,000 adults over the age of 70.
The worry is how long can we sustain this positive effect? Together, we can prevent the coming climate change and environmental destruction. Together, we can restore our Earth.
Earth Day is important because it helps us to demonstrate our support for the environment. Although I really think it should not be limited to just April 22nd, but should be exercised every single day. And the way my family and I support the environment is by planting trees, which happens to be a source of both food and oxygen. Why don't you plant a tree today? Happy Earth Day.